What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad you're tuning in. It's Father's Day, so that means car show, and it's Sunday, so that means at the detail garage, rides and coffee. So hopefully it's a good turnout. Sun's gonna be beating down, so I brought my hat just in case. Early morning though, so hopefully we won't need to use it because it ends at 10. But anyway, guys, should be a pretty good video. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's go check out the car show, guys. Thanks. All right, guys, so we made it to the show. Let's go ahead and just start running through these cars here. So we have all the Corvettes lined up. Here's a Grand Sport. We got the Z51 C6 Vets right here. We got a nice C8 gray, nice Grand Sport C7 accents, blue everywhere. Another red C8 with the Ferrari tan leather interior, blue C8, black on black Grand Sport like that. One of my buddy's gray Stingrays. Interesting, I see a boosted Z51 over here. And you can see right there, he's got A&A kit on that. Awesome. And we'll keep making it down the line. Another one of my buddies, C5, it's his yellow vet right here, looking real clean. C51 over here, it's got a couple things done to it. And then mine's right over here, as you can see. Beautiful as ever, always got to mention her in the videos. And then a nice Subaru STI too, right here. Pretty nice stance. All right, we got a nice row of Mustangs over here. GT350, blue stripes, looks excellent. Black wheels, another GT350, those red stripes. Man, two nice cars. And then a black one right here, carbon fiber hood, aftermarket wheels. It does say supercharged on the badging right below the GT350 sign, so I'm sure that thing is sick. Oh, and look, a Mach 1 blue. Wow, I haven't seen one of these up close in a while, but that looks really nice. And a couple of the Hondas, and you got a couple Mopars over here, some Chargers, a little bit of everything else over here. You got another Challenger, some Honda Civics, Charger 392 Hemi, two Supras. Oh, nice. I always see that orange one and this red one, but I like the one with the spoiler. That is nice. You got a little New Edge GT. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this 350Z slam down. Reminds me of Tokyo Drift. You got a nice Evo right there. Another 350, it's missing the bumper. A little Mustang GT. Holy moly, look at that dog. Hey, look at that dog. Datsun looking clean. You got you a nice C7 Z06 over here with that LT4 blower on it. I will have you someday, I will. And then we're gonna go down the line. We have another Mustang right here, BMW, little wrapped Mustang over here. I can see Baby Yoda in the mirror. Challenger, sorry, I was gonna say Charger. I was looking at that one. A couple other Mopars, some trucks, and a bike. Bike's coming in. Nissan Skyline over here. Oh, we got your classics coming in. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Oh, Pontiac Trans Am, baby. Wow. Does anybody need a taxi service? Look at this taxi, guys. Look at this taxi. Oh boys, check out these GTRs. Godzilla in the house. Look at it, he's got the parachute on the back on that one. And look, his buddy is with him too. Another one wrapped. Does he got a parachute as well? No parachute, but I'm sure it goes. And then, oh my gosh, another one. 3 GTRs. Oh look, puppy. But back to the action. GTR, man, look at that. Wow. 3 GTRs. Boy, guys, the lot is still getting filled up as we speak, but I found a nice C8 right here. And then another Lexus. We got a Scooby-Doo van right here too. You got some lowriders I see right behind over there. People coming in. It's got some bikes. And this is one of my buddies' C8s. Pretty nice. I like the red leather seats inside. Gray wheels, red calipers, Stingray R. Let's get a shot of the inside. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. And then it's got the spoiler on the back, so you can, you know, makes the CH look better. When they don't come with them, it kind of looks off. When you got the spoiler on the back, it definitely looks better. Oh guys, check it out. We got 2 ZL1s here. Interesting orange. I like that color combo. Look, he's got the welds on the back. He's ready to go. And then look right behind him, we got another guy over here, ZL1 camo wrap. I'm digging that. I'm gonna do that for mine someday. He's also got the welds on the back. He's ready to go. Sounds really nice. Missing the bumper part on the back. That means business. Whoa, guys, look at that. Whoa, he's going. Check that out, guys. That is cool. All right, you got your line of trucks over here on the side, and the front of the auto detail supplies is right over there. All right, guys, we're just gonna make the rounds. I'm just gonna try to get as many of these cars as I can. Sorry if you hear the music in the background. They're just playing it for the people, and I'm just gonna try to talk over it. So hopefully that's pretty cool right there. I'm gonna try to talk over it so that way you don't really hear it too well. But that's pretty cool right there. Little Chevy SS, if I can get a shot of it here. That's pretty cool. And a little Nissan 3000 GT blue. A couple Skylines over here. And then this little Porsche. Got a little Evo coming in right here, guys. Guys, listen to that thing coming in. It's alive. It's got a breath. It's breathing. All right, Alright guys, I'm on the back end. I couldn't help but notice this really nice G8 GT orange. Got orange calipers, drag wheels back and front. Looks pretty nice. And then a CTSV with welds, also pretty clean as well. There it is, guys. Go follow him, Forgotten Star Instagram. Check his page out. Rare car indeed. Guys, it's getting hot, but I'm finding some, there's a lot of Subarus over here, WRXs, STIs, kind of parked. Check out this Camaro, guys. It's a Deadpool theme. Man, I love Deadpool. I think those movies are hilarious. But this is so cool. There's his Insta, San Antonio, Texas Next Level Racing. If you want to follow him, you can do that. But man, that is pretty cool. Check out this RX-7, guys. Look, he's got an exhaust pipe coming out the side right here. Carbon fiber roof with the ventage. Look at the inside. Wow, that is cool, to say the least. Found another Mustang 5.0 Coyote. I like the black with the red accents and the white lettering on the back. Whoa, guys, look at this. Oh, he put it down. That is freaking funny. Got two stands, pretty clean WRX STIs, I think. Or maybe they're just WRXs, but still pretty clean. You can see the intercooler right coming through the bottom. Things drop down. Way in the back, guys, I found two nice Porsches. Pretty clean. I like the little stripes on there. Looks like a race car. And then there's another one over here, a blue one. Looks pretty nice. Oh guys, look, we got a nice old school Chevy truck and then a Jeep. Grand Cherokee supercharged. He's cleaning that thing up, making it look real nice. I'm sure it goes. Whoa, check this out, guys. I was about to say a Challenger, but old school, classic. I'm not sure what that is, but all right. And I couldn't help but notice this red C606 chrome wheels, looking freaking awesome. I had to come take a look. Man, this thing is so nice. Got a little lip gang on the back. Oh boy. All right, we got some more classics coming up in here. Chevy Malibu, man. And look, right behind it, Mustang, classic Mustang. Woo, boy, look, we got another new Mach 1 coming in. That thing looks pretty. Wow. Found a couple other Mustangs over here. Got a nice S550, older, or newer one, right here, orange. And then, of course, I found my buddy, he parked way in the back. Looking nice, man, looking real nice. Guys, I was gonna check this car out. Look, he put it on bags. He's got the fat wheels on the back. No hood. I just had to come take a look at it real quick because it looks sick and it sounded really loud. It sounded really good. You can kind of see it there. Got a white one. You never see them white. They're always black. Oh, and look, a Celine Mustang. You don't see too many of these. Let me get a quick shot. He's got the chrome wheels on it. There's a shot of the inside. But little Celine Mustang. And another nice 5.0 right here. That sounds good. Ooh, you got a nice, I think it's a Bel Air. Is that a Bel Air? I don't know. Classic though. Oh man, look at this Chevy Impala, guys. It's so freaking long. Look at that. It's so long. Nice though. And then you got another nice Mustang right over here. Oh look, is that a Trackhawk? I like the color scheme. It's got a wide body on it. I think it's a Goku theme, Dragon Ball Z maybe. He's got a decal on the window, possibly. Go doggy, go, go. Look, he's just walking his happy self. Oh, nice Fox body Mustang right over here, next to another little Corvette. It says 427 on there, so it's got to be maybe a special year or something model.
I mean, look at
the puppy, guys.
Black, we all named on black. Yeah. Ranger. He's still learning his name. It's all good. That's cute.
No, don't fall.
You been seeing these dogs with the goggles? It's cool, right?
Gotta get some puppy action in the video, guys.
I think I'll get him some.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. There's a lot of cars that came out. It's getting hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off. But anyway guys, this is the Robot out. Till the next video, peace.